Have you ever wondered where your favorite online shopping apps and services actually originate from? Today, we're diving deep into one such service that's been making waves in the digital payment space, Zippay. Many people assume it's an Australian company, given its name and popularity there. But is that really the case? Let's find out. The rise of digital payments has revolutionized the way we shop. From PayPal to Apple Pay, countless platforms have emerged to simplify transactions. Zippay, with its buy now, pay later, BNPL model, has gained significant traction. However, its origins remain a bit shrouded in mystery for many. The Australian connection, it's understandable why people might link Zippay to Australia. The name itself is a strong indicator. Plus, the company has indeed had a significant presence in the Australian market for quite some time. It's one of the pioneers of BNPL services in the country, offering a convenient way for consumers to spread out payments for purchases. But there's more to the story. While Australia has played a crucial role in Zippay's journey, it's not the sole birthplace of the company. To get the full picture, we need to look beyond the Australian borders. A global expansion, Zippay's origins can be traced back to a company called Latitude Financial Services. This financial services provider, headquartered in Australia, has a long history of offering credit and payment solutions. Latitude recognized the potential of the BNPL market and decided to launch Zippay as a subsidiary. Expanding horizons, with Latitude's backing, Zippay began to expand its operations beyond Australia. The company targeted other markets with similar consumer demographics and shopping habits. This strategic move allowed Zippay to reach a wider audience and solidify its position as a leading BNPL provider. The global footprint. Today, Zippay has a presence in multiple countries, including New Zealand, the United States, and the United Kingdom. The company's expansion has been fueled by its ability to adapt to the specific needs and preferences of consumers in different regions. The role of technology. Technology has played a vital role in Zippay's success. The company has invested heavily in developing user-friendly platforms and robust security measures. This has helped to build trust among consumers and ensure a seamless shopping experience. The future of Zippay. As the BNPL market continues to evolve, it's exciting to see where Zippay will go next. The company has the potential to become an even more dominant player in the global digital payments landscape. With its strong foundation and innovative approach, Zippay is well positioned to capitalize on future opportunities. So, is Zippay Australian? While Zippay has a strong association with Australia, it's important to remember that it's not exclusively an Australian company. It's a global brand with roots in Latitude Financial Services. The company's expansion into multiple markets demonstrates its commitment to providing convenient and accessible payment solutions to consumers around the world. In conclusion, Zippay's origins are more complex than they might initially appear. While Australia has played a significant role in the company's development, its global reach and diverse operations make it a truly international player. So, the answer to the question, is Zippay Australian, is both yes and no. It's a company with deep roots in Australia, but it has successfully expanded its horizons to become a global phenomenon. If you're interested in learning more about Zippay or other BNPL services, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We'll continue to bring you informative and engaging content on the latest trends in the digital payments industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.